There's Noah after chocolate.
What are you doing, Noah?
And it's 9:30 in the evening. He's no headbanging. Are you dizzy? I'm sure you're dizzy after that headbanging. Hi. Noah? Where's Noah? Ah, there's Noah! Wait, where's Noah?
Careful.
Where's Noah? Noah? Noah. Yeah, there's Noah! There's Noah. Headbanging again.
You wild.
Do not never feed your baby chocolate at night.
Boy. Energize your battery.